Hi guys, it's Ryan here from the Private Banker. Just doing a quick update here for what I saw on the day for crude oil. What we saw is just we opened gap down. And what we're starting to see at the high of this bracket is this new balance area coming into play. So I've just drawn in this bracket here. So what we've seen is obviously off the open of this year, we've seen a sell off to the bottom of the bracket. We found buyers. We started to see rotations up, small balance come in with a breakout of that bracket, and just more balance come into the market. And finally, we've seen a move up to the high of this developing bracket here, and we're just starting to see balance come back into the market here. The one time framing up that was in play for quite a few days has got broken today, so this shows that there's two-way trade and balance back into the market here. Who knows where this will continue to go, but this is just what I'm starting to see develop here. What we did, like I said today, is we opened gap down. We opened. This is the current composites I'm tracking, and just like here's the new sort of balance distribution coming into play, and we opened basically at the mean price and at the lower end of this distribution, and the main giveaway today though was the fact that we opened right on the 5 exponential moving average here, and I talked about this a couple of days ago about price catching up with value catching up with price, and today we opened just on top of the 5 exponential moving average, and just see buying straight off the open today. A couple of things to have a look at here is this week's current Vwap, and as you can see, we're just seeing two-way trade back in the market, and today we opened up at the lower end of this current extreme, and we basically see a reversion back to the mean on the other side of value. And also what we can see here on the monthly is we've just seen a pullback to value, and we see responsive buying back pushing the price back out of value here. So the way things are going, this could continue to show an imbalance to the buy side, and if we can hold above value here, but we are starting to see the VWAP starting to flatten out, and value has caught up with price here. Another thing we can look at is the current 240-minute brackets and channels, and have got this longer term sort of bullish channel in play now. We broke the bear channel that I was tracking. We could still draw this. Give me 2 seconds. So this was the previous sort of bearish channel I had in play, and we did start to break out of this, so I just deleted it. I still know that it's there, but this sort of starting to make more sense here, this channel, and here's just a sort of faster time frame channel that we've seen come into play here, and what we see is a break above it and a reversion back to the mean, and responsive buying in this new bracket that we're forming in this upper end of the larger bracket on the daily. So what I did this morning was I split out the TPOs from yesterday, and we had the upper distribution with the morning balance, and then the breakout with the rotation back to yesterday's, or the previous day's mean price and value. And today we opened up below that gap down, and like I said, straight on top of the 5 exponential moving average. So this lined up this morning with a breakout of the developing value, as you can see on this 15-minute chart, and what we see was in a period we see a buying response back into the previous day's range, and you can see the previous day's RTH lows here. So we see this buying response back into the yesterday's range. In B period we see a pullback to the lows, and it just happened to line up with the value area high ETH, and just the value area low for the developing RTH session. And so this is where I started to establish a long position here with my stop below the initial balance on the day, and for the rest of the day we basically just one time framed up to this lower distribution value area high, and into yesterday's Vwap value area. So I just basically targeted inside value here, and this upper distribution value area from the current from yesterday's afternoon balance, and this worked out nicely. I mean, what you could have done is you could have continued to hold the trade, and then got out of the trade once we saw the one time frame break. So we see one time frame in off of the open here, and obviously in J period we broke this one time frame in. But I mean, once we see this sort of consolidation and into the value area, and the market sort of pulling back and breaking the 1.5, as you can see more clearly on this chart up here, then it's just sort of just time to get out. I mean, I wasn't expecting too much on the day today, and that's just how I saw things. So I hope you all had a great day, and if you have any questions, then please don't hesitate to ask on my journal on the forum, and I'll catch you all tomorrow. Take care, goodbye.